Hi guys, it's Harry Crafter here, and today is Thursday, April 12th, 2018, and I'm recording on my iPhone 6. I'm making a new and improved video on my, 2005 Goldstar 5400 BTU window air conditioner. So here are the specs. 5,400 BTUs, 540 watts, 10 BTUs or EER, 115 volt, 60 hertz, 4.8 amps, a single phase, and then takes R22 at 11 ounces. And there are the pressures and tag. So I do have this unit installed, and then just the safety information on the side. It's installed for the year, and I'm going to make the first few, the startup, since it's really nice outside. I'm going to go to the outdoor part, but you can see how it is in my, I guess you could say, blue room. Hey, Rascal. So we'll go and start it first with the high fan. I guess I'll untape the one side for a compressor startup. I'll have to retape it later. See, I have it all installed because of noise. This is what my main problem is. This is hard. There we go. Alright. Sorry, this video's kind of crappy. You should be able to fit. Okay. So let's start with low fan. And then high fan. We'll go off. So now, thermostat. I did fix it again, but it's getting screwed up. We're going to engage it so that it enables cool. Alright, start off with high cool. The outside. Pressure's right there. Go outside and take a look at it. Oh, don't suck the door. Okay, the wind's sucking the door. Try to shield the mic from the wind. Yeah, the road noise. You can definitely hear it. She sounds loud. See if I can get up close to the point where you can hear what she sounds like. Stick in there, but she's pretty big for 5,000 if I go under. This thing hangs out really far. See, now we're directly up against the house. See how far it hangs up. We'll go back to the inside and check on how she's running. See how hot the air gets on the outside because I unsealed the one side. New stairs too. Chill out. I was away for 1 second, dog. Cold. Definitely stick the mic outside. Definitely hear how loud this thing is right now. Yeah, this does have a fixed grill. It's not movable, but you do have these directionals on both sides. You do have this taped up because this does vibrate a lot. Back to high. Alright. So that was a video on my Goldstar 5400 BTU window air conditioner. Model R5400. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And have a good day. Bye!